We are also, our product is spread all over the country now, in India as well. And since we represent these companies in South Asia, we are in the process of negotiating orders from neighboring countries like Nepal and Bangladesh. ATC simulator is something new, and this has come at a time when everybody was feeling the need to have a device which can train the air traffic controllers in a shorter duration of time more effectively. Okay. This product, we are expecting that this is there are nobody in South Asia who is using our product right now, this particular product. We are expecting a very good response for this. India Aviation is I think an excellent forum to bring all the commercial operators and other aviation related companies on a platform. We have had some very useful interaction, and for commercial reason I would not like to disclose the names as yet, but then we have already sold a simulator here, and we are in the process, final stages of finalizing sale of another simulator and 2 REMOS aircraft. So to that extent, I think our presence in India Aviation has more than successful. As far as the fuel, now I presume that we are talking about REMOS aircraft. REMOS aircraft is using Rotax 912 engine, which is using normal unleaded petrol. It doesn't use aviation turbine fuel or any other aviation related fuel. So we straight away start with a 35 to 40% advantage in the fuel prices. And 35%, sometimes 40% advantage in fuel prices is huge, because it reduces your, it brings down your cost of operation tremendously, and we are in a position to pass that benefit to our users. So to that extent, fuel does not really worry us, fuel cost in this particular case. Like I mentioned, our future plan is number one, to promote ADASL in a big way, because it is filling up a vacuum at a time when it is critically needed. It cannot be delayed anymore. Number one. Number two, we are negotiating for the multi-pilot simulation of the Dutch company. Even this is very much in demand in India, and we have some clients who have shown very serious interest in this. So as far as our future business strategy is, we are focusing mainly on these 2 products and sale of REMOS aircraft, because not a single REMOS aircraft has arrived in India as yet. So we are expecting that in about a couple of months time, we are expecting 3 of them to be operating in India in 3 different parts of the country.